हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 29 एंड 30 जून 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंटरनेशनल एस्ट्रॉइड डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन, एंड द आंसर इज 30th June. Second question, which state topped the medal tally at the 78th Senior National Aquatic Championships? And the answer is Karnataka. Third question, where are the foundation stone for a state-of-the-art green data center recently laid? And the answer is Ghaziabad. Fourth question, which Indian state has made e-attendance mandatory for government school teachers starting July 1st, 2025? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Fifth question, in which Indian state is the Bonalu Folk Festival predominantly celebrated? And the answer is Telangana. Sixth question, who became India's top-ranked chess player after winning the Youth Chess Cup Masters 2025? And the answer is R. Paragnanda. Seventh question, in which year is the US-based Titan space mission scheduled to take place? And the answer is 2029. Eighth question, to which country did India send its first export of rose-scented lychee from Pathankot, Punjab? And the answer is Qatar. Ninth question, where was India's longest animal overpass corridor unveiled in June 2025? And the answer is Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. 10th question, who has won the men's championship in the first Hockey India Masters Cup 2025? The answer is Hockey Tamil Nadu. 11th question, what is the main objective of the stop clock rule introduced by the ICC for Test cricket? And the answer is to control slow over rates. 12th question, the AI model named AlphaGenome has been launched by whom to predict how DNA variants affect gene regulation? And the answer is DeepMind. 13th question, Operation Deep Mindset was launched by whom? And the answer is Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. 14th question, which two countries have recently signed a peace deal after decades? And the answer is Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda. 15th question, the regional center of the International Potato Center, that is CIP, will be established in which Indian state? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 16th question, Salkand Fossil Park has been included in the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is located in which state? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 17th question, National Statistics Day is observed every year on whose birth anniversary? And the answer is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. 18th question, the famous Lord Jagannath Yatra started on June 27. To whom is the Rath Yatra festival dedicated? And the answer is Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra. 19th question, top national players stipend scheme has been launched by which organization? And the answer is All India Chess Federation. 20th question. The NATO summit held in The Hague, Switzerland has decided to spend what percent of GDP on the defense sector by 2035? And the answer is 5%. 21st question. What is the enhanced rock weathering technique in discussion related to? And the answer is tackling climate change. 22nd question. Who has been appointed as new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? And the answer is Parag Jain. 23rd question. What is the name of the first fast petrol vessel inducted under the 8th FPV project for the Indian Coast Guard? And the answer is Adamya Fast Petrol Vessel. 24th question. The Registrar General of India functions under which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. 25th question. K-6 hypersonic submarine launched ballistic missile is developed by which organization? And the answer is DRDO. 26th question. Which organization has launched searches in 5 states under Operation Chakraveer to bust mule bank accounts? And the answer is Central Bureau of Investigation. 27th question. Which team won the women's title in the first edition of the Hockey India Masters Cup 2025? And the answer is Odisha. 28th question. International Day of the Tropics 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 29th June. 29th question. Which ministry has introduced WhatsApp chatbot integration with the MI Bharat portal? And the answer is Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. And the last 30th question. The book titled The Emergency Diaries has been launched by whom? And the answer is Amit Shah. तो ये थे 29th एंड 30th जून के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है रिसेंटली बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस एंड डांसर वाइडली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फॉर हर आइकॉनिक रोल इन द कांटा लगा म्यूजिक वीडियो हैज पास्ड अवे एट द एज ऑफ 42. हु वाज शी? तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।